It is Wednesday, my dude. Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever time it is where you live. Today I'm going to be installing Neovim on my system. Yeah, we're installing Neovim so we can edit code and be a goofy goober, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get into it. If you're on Linux, what you usually do is you go sudo pacman arp dnf whatever. So I'm on Fedora, we're gonna dnf, and you can do search Neovim, right? If I could spell. Right, yeah. Alright, there we go. Oh man. Error code 404, oh no. That's okay. We got it right there, so we can throw that and install it. So if you're on Fedora, there's DNF. If you're on Debian, it would be apt, so sudo apt, blah blah. So that's how you can search for packages. We're not gonna do it this way. We're gonna exit. We're gonna compile this thing from source. So we're gonna go Neovim install because I'm a big dummy. So, if you're on Linux, I highly recommend learning Vim or whatever. You can still do it on Windows or not. But it's, I don't know, I haven't really used it on Windows that much. You can do WSL, so Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows. If you're in Windows, I would say get VS Codium, right? Usually one word, sure. So VS Codium is basically VS Code, but it is open sourced and cuts out all of the Windows, Microsoft bullcrap, telemetry, whatever stuff that steals your code and sells it on the dark web for internet points. So this is basically a big ripoff of VS Code, right? But it has the same plugins, same managers and stuff. You can go do that. This is, I don't know, I guess easier for new users if you're more used to like a GUI or clicking through your stuff and whatnot. So there's that. I'm going to check this out here. Or from source, yeah, cool. Boom. Actually, before we do that, we're gonna let's get some tunes rolling, huh? How's that? Home Renaissance album. Boom. Odyssey is the album. Let's do. Does anyone have it all in one? There we go. All right, now we got it. I hate YouTube when it does this. It's like ambient mode. Hey, let's just blow up your screen. I don't want that crap. Get that out of here. Get rid of it. Someone please tell YouTube to uninstall it so I never have to click that button again. Alright, hold up. We're gonna go down to teaser. There you go. So, getting this from source. We should have Git installed, right? So, curl version. Sure. Git. Cool, I got both of these. So, typically when I download stuff from the internet. Yo, what's up? Awesome. Thanks for the follow, man. Man, lady, woman. I don't know, I can't read your name. Baby Alexis, cool beans. Thank you. Alright, installing from source. Writing platform, use some source. Build details. So use CMake. Yeah, we have to download the package first. So let's go here. Stable release, okay. Windows, there you go. You can download it from source right here in Windows. Using your zip, your MSI file. Your Mac OS here, we're gonna go to Linux. Use app image tarball. I think we're gonna use tarball here. So 8664 tar GZ. No, this is Mac, this one says Linux. Tar G, boom. Cool. Where are we? Downloads? Sure, that's fine. Alright, that was fast. So let's make it. How about that? We're gonna change directory to downloads. Boom. We're gonna ls. Now. So extract. We're gonna tar. xzvf. Neovim-Linux. So you can tab complete most of the time. So if I have like, see NV, I don't want to type out that entire file. It's impossible. Boom. Tab complete. Done. There we go. Now it's a directory. And do we have to change directory in there? No. Run it. Bin and bin. There it is. Boom. Alright, cool beans. Alright. So let's check out Neovim LSP. So what the thing is called? We could do NV Chad, right? I might want that one, not sure. Alright, prerequisites, Neovim 10. What version is this? 10.4, okay. Nerd fonts, which we don't have. We might have it, actually, not positive. Blinded by the light. Alright. Where's the fonts? Go. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna pick a nerd font. What should we go with? Don't know, anyone knows? Alright. Let's do 3720, why not? Alright. And then we're going to, there's a zip. Don't they have GZ files? I don't think it matters. Alright, Fedora extract font. Local share fonts. To extract zip. There we go. Unzip. File destination. Okay, that's easy enough. Do we have unzip though? Probably. Going to unzip 3270 to, what was that? Local shares. So tilde local share fonts. Oh, flat packs. What fonts? Oh no, it's not there. Let's see if it'll make it if we put that there. Cool. Alright, we got font there. So talk about what we're doing. We're installing NVChad. What is NVChad? NVChad is like a group of plugins that's been set up for Neovim for just looking really cool. Adds like code completion and stuff. I forget what the stinking thing is called, LSP for code completion or whatever for your Neovim setup. So prerequisites before installing NVChad is to have Neovim 10. We have Neovim. Just installed the nerd font. There it is. Ripgrep. I don't think we're using Ripgrep. GCC. So the GNU compiler. GNU core compiler. GNU C compiler. That's what it is, I think. Windows must have MNGW. So let's install GCC. Dora. DNF GCC, there it is. Alright, so GCC might be installed already. Don't really know. Nothing to do. Boom. Alright, cool. Don't need that. Make. I'm pretty sure we have make. Yeah. Okay, we got make. Delete all the Neovim folders. Check commands below. Alright. PowerShell. No way. Hold on. After we install it this way, don't we need to add it to our environment variables or something? Oh, hold on, let's just try Neovim. Yeah, command not found. So this app image. Into environment. Toggle. Path and then the 64 bin. Do this by editing your shell configuration. Bash or C. Echo, if you want to know what your shell is. Echo $, caps, shell. Pretty sure you're running bash right now. Cool. Yeah, bash right there. Duh. Alright. Path to Neovim and then bin. So we were in downloads, Neovim, bin, PWD, print working directory, Rocky Road. So you need them to your path. You do add the path. Should we move this directory somewhere? I don't have anywhere else to move it. Whatever, let it be. Export. Path. Path. Home. Path to Neovim 649. Download extract. Yep. Neovim path. Adding your shell configuration file. Bash RC. Add the following line to your bash RC file. So we're gonna go to bash RC file before we do this. cd ls ll plus la bash RC. So we're gonna vim this dot bash RC. Yes, that's what we're doing. Yeah. Okay. We're going to capital G, get to the bottom, append, export, path equals path. Shiza, where did that go? New terminal, ls, downloads, capital D. cd bin, Neovim, there it is. Actually, I can just Caparino right here. Boom, copy that. If you want to paste into Vim, you're going to be sure you're in insert mode and Control-Shift-V. Bang, just like that. So, .bin, it should know the Neovim, which is right in that file. Okay. I don't need you. I need you. Thank you. To save. Here's the whole secret to Neovim and Vim. Escape like 20 times, know that you're in regular mode, whatever mode this is. Semicolon. W is to write the file or save, typically, and Q is to quit the file. So if you just want to write it, you could just W, enter, boom, you're still in the file, editing the file. WQ is to quit. If it has any errors or anything, you might have to use an exclamation point, and that way you're just like, hey, do it, force. Now let's source bash RC and Vim. Oh, look at that, dude. Magic. Just did it. All right. Quit. That's there. We're done. Go back to MV Chad. Do we have a config file for MV Chad? I don't know. cd config. Man, we got a lot of stuff in here. Is there no Neovim? I think if I was a cool dude, I'd use grep right now and search, but no Neovim. All right. Boom. That's fine. We don't need a file because we're gonna delete it anyway. So we're gonna cd. So we're gonna clone this now to our downloads file folder. Why not? Just put all our junk in downloads. So git says exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this file here from this GitHub repo, and we're gonna change to our local config right here to the Neovim folder, and then we're gonna run Neovim, which in turn kicks off this whole dealio and then run mason install. So let's just do it. Clone. So git is like the git command. You're gonna get this here, and clone is like we're gonna copy this repo to our machine. So magic little button over here that copies to your clipboard. Control Shift V to paste that bad boy into the console. Enter. Wow, like magic. Oh, it's already installing. Beautiful. Look at that. MVChad UI 3 has been released. This is news to me. Alright. Cool. Don't know, don't care, question mark. Escape. How do we close that? I don't know. If I run Mason install all, which I think it already did, but do it again. Man. All right. Delete the Git folder. Sure. Basics for Neovim. End it blank. Mason is installed. And chat start loaded. Update. Sync. Check. Install. I think it's already installed. These are extra plugins you can plug in. Download, install, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm not going to use them right now. Let us clean. Alright. Quit. Oh. This is Mason, so. Okay. Two. Brother. Get out of my face. Come on. You quit that window? Yeah, we do. Okay. Failed. NPM failed. NPM is not executable. I don't think I have NPM installed. Most likely. Don't know. Anyway. Let's do NV Chad. Python. LSP. Womp. Alright. Where am I? I'm in downloads. Alright, let's just quit. Okay. We're gonna cd.config. And then I have a Lua and Lua lazy license readme blah 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 blah. So we're going to the Lua thing. Login table. Configs, make sure USB server is present there. Alright. Alright, we gotta teleport to the good song. These are all good songs, but the best song on this album is coming up right now. Yeah. Alright. What are we doing here? We're installing Python, LSP, Lua stuff. Modify this for configuration. So config function, blah blah blah. Configs file. LSP and IP pairs. IP pairs serves to LSP. Any language configuration aside from Lua. Alright. Let's just run. Alright. Neovim. Mason install all. Oops. No, I don't want. There we go. Can I, like, select these? I can, I don't remember how. Press CF to apply filter. Harper, iSort, Jedi language server. Sounds legit. What is Python LSP server right there? Alright, so do I just oops. Pip works for me. Alright, let's get to the bread and butter of this. We're doing Rust. What is Rust? Well, Rust, right here. It's a pretty fun video game, not gonna lie. We're not getting into that today. We're gonna get into the Rust programming language. Look at that beauty. So, I don't know. How I'm gonna explain this is, Rust is like C, kind of. It's a low-level programming language. There's a lot of hype around it. Everyone's like, oh dude, Rust is like the creme de la creme, you know, what the Giga Chads use to write programs. So we're gonna do it. Installing Rust, curl right here. I have the Rust books here somewhere, but try Rust without installing. What, do you have like a web thing? Oh, you do. Look at that. Wow. Dude, you can sit on your browser at work running Python code. Python? Rust code right in your browser. That's dope. If we run this, where's run? Run. Boom. Hello world, dude. That's your first Python run. So we're calling the main function. If you don't know what a function is, then that's why you're here, I guess. Main is gonna be like the main part of your program. The main part of your program, the meat and potatoes. Function is think of it like a math function, like in conversion, like I forget what the stupid terms are and whatever. It's a thingamajig that can be repeated with different inputs and outputs. Yeah. But you always need a main function, and we're gonna print line, right? So print line, this is gonna be a string, hello world, blah blah blah, and this parentheses, and then the semicolon to end this print line statement or whatever. I'm not an English major, I'm a code monkey, so take that with a grain of salt. Anyways, I should install Rust. Rust through tool called Rust Up, which is Rust installer management tool. Looks like you're running a Mac OS Linux. Otherwise, download Rust Up and install Rust. Run the following in your terminal, then follow on-screen instructions. Cool. So normally you don't ever just randomly copy paste someone else's code into your terminal and then run it, because that's a big no-no. Especially if you're grabbing stuff from a sketchy website. One called rust-lang.org. See, okay, it's .org. So it's from an organization, so it's very safe. See, we're going curl. Remember we did we did git copy last time. So curl is kind of like git, but it's different. I don't know, don't ask me. Something about web requests and talking to computers over the internet. It's magic, you know. If you get into some networking, it's a lot of fun stuff. Receive standard installation 1. Just press enter. Custom installation? Let's just let it rip, huh? How's that sound? I trust them. So, Cargo, it's your package manager. It's kind of like, if you're into Python or whatever, pip and Cargo, I believe they're kind of the same. Only Cargo does a lot more. I think Cargo also manages like a Git repo. Don't hate me if it's wrong, but it might manage a Git repo for your projects and stuff, so it manages versioning every time you like run it or whatever. So if you want to roll back to different stuff or whatever, you can. Rust book. I think this is not the film. Is this the whole thing? Might be. Hold on. Alright. Books. Rust. R. There we go. Alright. We're gonna compare. This is probably a lot different than, well, actually it might not be. Wow, it's getting bright. Fuck. Alright, getting started. Run Rust Up. Okay. Boom. Is this seriously online for free? let's check down here. Command line, installing Rust. Hello world, let's go here. Now that you've installed Rust, let's write your first Rust program. It's time to write your first Rust program. It's traditional when learning a new language to write a little program that prints text, hello world. Yep. I've done that a lot. To the screen. So we'll do the same here. Cool. So if you wanted to follow along, this right here, boom. Can we make this big? I wanted to make the URL big. Whatever. You go to doc.rust-lang.org/book. And that will give you this book. So I have the PDF of it. I was going to go through it that way, but you can just do it online right here. And this is literally what I'm going to be starting to do here going forward. So learn Rust. That's the yeah. So you literally have these two tabs open, this here and the Rust book, and just do this on your off time. You don't even have to install anything. You could be on Windows, Mac, Linux, doesn't matter. Your iPad, your iPhone, whatever. If you have a web browser here, go to this website and boom. I did not know they had that online. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's just do hello world. How about that? We'll do Rust on Mac, install Rust up on Windows. Yep. Updating, installing. Alright. Hello world. So, alright, we're gonna let's make dir. This dir is gonna be called programming. We're gonna cd to programming. We're gonna make another dir. You can call this Rust. We're gonna cd to Rust. We're gonna Neovim. What should we name this? Hello world? Why not? Hello underscore world dot ru, I believe, is the file extension. Main.rs. Rust. Okay. Now, let us insert. We're gonna function main. Okay, tab complete. Cool. To do. Let's DD that. Oh, it goes away automatically. Print line. Alright. Hello world. Boosh. We're going to wrong one. There we go. Colon right quit exclamation ls hello world rs. Do we have to make it executable? I doubt it. Save the file and go back to the terminal window. On Linux or Mac, enter the following commands to compile and run the file. So rustc is the Rust compiler. Yep. So this is how you do it manually. Later you learn cargo, which is literally the next step. And you'll just use cargo build to build your project and stuff like that. But I guess we'll go with the tutorial here. So back here, so we made our programming folder. this is where all of our Rust stuff is going to live. It's good to stay organized so you know where your files are, and if you have big projects and stuff, separate them out in folders so you know where they are and what dependencies they need in there and stuff like that. I'll get into Git versioning stuff later. Git can be run locally, and you also have GitHub, which is what I feel like everyone knows. GitHub is a web repository for your code, so you can take your local repository. Repository is basically a folder, your local folder, and then your internet folder, and you link them with GitHub. And so you do git copy, git push, git update, blah blah blah. I'll have to go over that and teach you guys some Git. But right now we're just gonna do this hello world after we've installed Neovim with NVChad. So we're gonna rust c hello world.rs. Rust c command not found. Yeah, install it. Proceed to changes. Yeah, I said yeah the first time. Just do it. Oh my goodness. Expected identifier. Did I miss the curly brackets? Of course I did. Alright. We made an oopsie. We're gonna nvim back into our hello world. Oh, I got 2 FNs. How did I FN do that? Alright, XX is to delete a single character. Get rid of that blank space. Alright, semicolon W, write. Write quit. Let us now rust c hello world. Okay. Execute. So, what Rusty does is compiles your code into an executable. Right? So if we do lstech.la, there's no exe. I believe if you're on Windows, this would have a .exe. Maybe not. Maybe it would just stay like that. Anyways, but now it's executable. So if we just run the file, in Linux if you want to run a file, you got // and then you say, hey, run hello world. See, we're going to do the tab completion again because we type a lot, so we're just going to type H. The only available options here are hello world, so tab complete. Enter, and guess what? It just ran that file. It said print line hello world, so where is it? Right here. Like this little tiny here. You guys probably can't see this crap. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. There. Now my big fat head is in the way. Boom, right here. This is all we did. Created the main function. Print line is what we're calling. We're saying, hey, print this out to the console. Hello world. Now you could probably write a book in here and it would just spit it out back at you in the console. But yeah. Sorry guys, I should have made this bigger earlier. If you want to know the keys I'm pressing, Control plus and Control minus grows and shrinks your stuffs. So you can make that thing huge, like, dang, that's large. Alright, let's go back. But yeah, you can do that in here too. In your browser, Control plus, Control minus. I believe if you also hold Control and scroll wheel up and down, yeah, you do grow and shrink that. So, just, you know, a couple pointers, cool tips, whatever. Yeah, so I think that's gonna do it for tonight. Thank you all for checking on in. Cool, cheap views on streambo.com. Anyways, I wouldn't go to that website if you have any bit of logic in your brain, but yeah, I think that's it for tonight. We did a little bit of installing. I showed you some Git. Got some compiling code from source. We basically just got a tarball and then added it to our path. But yeah. So, yeah. I'm PCmoses. I have a lot of knowledge up here in this noggin. If you don't, then you can just Google it. I will help you guys with this coding journey. Now we're all ready and prepped to really start getting to coding. So we'll do more Rust stuff. I might do a PC build here in the near future once I get a little bit of cashola going. I want to build like a console PC for my living room. I think that'd be pretty sweet. So I'll build it on stream, just to kind of show you guys computer parts and components. I feel like that would be a cool video to do. Anyways, thanks for checking in. And yeah, this is PCmoses signing out. Oh, follow me on, what is this, Twitch. Follow me on Twitch at PCmoses. PCmoses, alright? Same on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, PCmoses. Yeah, I will eventually make small form factor videos in YouTube, kind of be more tutorial driven, more direct. But I'll still do these live streams. I'm thinking I'm live streaming every Wednesday night. So far that's the plan, Wednesdays. This is my second stream. Could you believe it? Second stream. So Wednesday night is going to be my stream here tonight. Yeah, PCmoses. Follow me to be set free. See you in the next video. Bye.